The world population is expected to reach 9 billion by 2050, which means we will need at least 60% more food than we produce now. But with diminishing natural resources, how will we meet this challenge? Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the amazing science behind modern agriculture and explore the innovations that allow us to feed a growing global population. From genetically modified crops to precision farming techniques, we'll uncover the secrets behind increased crop yields, improved food preservation, and sustainable farming practices. So get ready to be amazed by the incredible advancements that are shaping the future of food production. A growing population and shrinking resources, the looming challenge. The world population is projected to reach 9 billion by 2050, which means we will need at least 60% more food than we produce now. However, we face an uphill battle against dwindling natural resources. Water scarcity, soil degradation, and climate change pose significant threats to agricultural productivity. Moreover, arable land, which is suitable for farming, accounts for only 11% of the Earth's surface, and we've already lost 30% of it in the last 50 years. To feed everyone, we must significantly improve the efficiency of our food production systems. One way we can achieve this is by reducing waste. Approximately 1/3 of all food produced globally is lost or wasted, which translates to 300 billion metric tons annually. This staggering figure not only reflects inefficiencies in our supply chain, but also highlights a lack of proper storage and transportation facilities, particularly in developing countries. Reducing food loss and waste by just 50% would provide enough food to feed all the hungry people in the world. Additionally, nearly half of the world's vegetables are lost due to poor harvesting techniques and inadequate processing and storage facilities. Therefore, it's crucial that we focus on reducing losses at every stage of the food supply chain, from production to consumption. By doing so, we can ensure that more food reaches those who need it most, while minimizing waste and resource utilization. The science of feeding 9 billion. Modern agriculture explained. Modern agriculture encompasses a wide range of innovative techniques and technologies that have revolutionized the way we grow and distribute food. One of the cornerstones of modern agriculture is the use of improved crop varieties. Through selective breeding and genetic engineering, scientists have developed crops that are higher yielding, more resistant to pests and diseases, and better adapted to various environmental conditions. For example, the Green Revolution in the mid-20th century led to the development of high-yielding wheat and rice varieties that helped feed millions of people in developing countries. Similarly, the development of pest-resistant crops such as Bt cotton and Bt corn has significantly reduced the use of pesticides, making agriculture more sustainable. Another important aspect of modern agriculture is the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. These inputs have allowed farmers to maximize crop yields and protect their crops from pests and diseases. However, it's crucial to use these inputs responsibly and sustainably to minimize their negative environmental impacts. Precision farming is an approach that utilizes technology such as GPS and remote sensing to optimize fertilizer and pesticide application, ensuring that they are used only where and when needed. This not only reduces waste, but also minimizes the cost of inputs for farmers. Efficient irrigation systems are also essential for modern agriculture, especially in areas where rainfall is scarce. Drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the roots of plants, is a highly efficient method that reduces water waste and improves crop yields. Additionally, modern agricultural practices emphasize the importance of soil conservation and management. Techniques such as crop rotation, cover cropping, and no-till farming help maintain soil fertility, prevent erosion, and improve soil health. These practices ensure that the soil remains a sustainable resource for future generations. Furthermore, advances in food processing and storage technologies have significantly reduced food losses and waste. Improved harvesting techniques, better storage facilities, and innovative processing methods have extended the shelf life of perishable goods, making them available to consumers throughout the year. It's important to note that modern agriculture is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Different regions have different challenges and opportunities, and farmers must adapt their practices accordingly. For example, in developing countries, smallholder farmers often face constraints such as limited access to resources and technology. Therefore, agricultural interventions should be tailored to their specific needs, such as providing access to credit, training, and appropriate technologies. Looking ahead, the future of modern agriculture lies in embracing innovation and adopting new technologies. The use of data analytics, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology is transforming agriculture, enabling farmers to make informed decisions and optimize their operations. For example, precision livestock farming uses data and technology to monitor and manage livestock, improving animal health and productivity. Similarly, vertical farming, which involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, is gaining popularity in urban areas, allowing for year-round food production with minimal land use and resource consumption. It's also crucial that we promote sustainable agriculture to ensure that the demands of a growing population are met without compromising the health of the planet. This involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions, conserving water and biodiversity, and minimizing the use of synthetic inputs. By adopting sustainable agricultural practices, we can safeguard the environment for future generations and ensure the long-term viability of food production. Revolutionizing food production, feeding the world. How science is changing agriculture. Science is playing a pivotal role in transforming the agricultural industry, enhancing food production, and ensuring global food security. Let's delve into some remarkable ways that science is changing agriculture. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is revolutionizing farming practices by utilizing technology to gather detailed data on crops and soil conditions. Farmers can analyze this data to make informed decisions regarding irrigation, fertilization, and pest management, optimizing resource use and maximizing yields. Genetically modified organisms. GMOs. GMOs are plants or animals whose genetic material has been artificially manipulated in a laboratory setting. By introducing desirable traits such as herbicide tolerance, pest resistance, and enhanced nutrition, GMOs have the potential to increase food production and reduce reliance on pesticides and herbicides. Vertical farming. Vertical farming involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, typically in controlled indoor environments. This innovative method allows for year-round food production, reduces land use and water consumption, and minimizes the need for pesticides. Agricultural biotechnology. Agricultural biotechnology harnesses the power of biological processes and organisms to enhance agricultural productivity. This includes the development of disease-resistant crops, nitrogen-fixing crops, and biopesticides, which offer eco-friendly pest management solutions. Drones and robotics. The use of drones in agriculture enables farmers to monitor crops, identify issues, and optimize resource allocation. Agricultural robotics, including automated tractors and harvesting machines, increases efficiency, reduces labor costs, and enhances productivity. Data analytics and artificial intelligence. Data analytics and artificial intelligence, AI, are transforming agriculture by providing valuable insights into crop yields, weather patterns, and market trends. Farmers can leverage these insights to make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and adapt to changing conditions. Sustainable agriculture practices. Science is promoting sustainable agriculture practices, such as crop rotation, cover cropping, and integrated pest management, which help conserve soil health, reduce environmental impact, and ensure long-term agricultural productivity. The future of food production. As the global population continues to grow and food demand rises, the need for innovation in agriculture becomes increasingly crucial. Embracing technological advancements, promoting sustainable practices, and investing in agricultural research and development will be vital in ensuring global food security. Here are some ways that science can help us feed the world in the future. 1. Advancements in genetic engineering. Continued research and development in genetic engineering will lead to the creation of crops with improved traits such as drought tolerance, salinity tolerance, and resistance to a broader range of pests and diseases. These advancements will enhance food production in challenging environments, reducing the risk of crop failure and minimizing the need for pesticides and herbicides. 2. Precision livestock farming. Precision livestock farming will become more sophisticated, utilizing sensors, data analytics, and AI to monitor animal health, optimize feeding and breeding practices, and improve overall livestock productivity. This will lead to more efficient production of meat, dairy, and other animal products. 3. Cellular agriculture. Cellular agriculture, also known as lab-grown meat or in vitro meat, is a promising innovation that involves producing meat, poultry, and seafood products by cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment. This technology has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of livestock production and provide a more sustainable source of protein. 4. Sustainable intensification. The concept of sustainable intensification involves increasing agricultural productivity while minimizing environmental impact. This approach integrates principles of ecology, agronomy, and environmental science to optimize resource use, reduce waste, and promote biodiversity conservation. 5. Urban agriculture. As urbanization continues, there is a growing interest in urban agriculture, which includes rooftop farming, vertical farming, and community gardens. These initiatives not only provide fresh, locally grown food, but also promote community engagement and environmental sustainability. 6. Global collaboration and knowledge sharing. International collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential for addressing global food security challenges. By fostering partnerships between researchers, farmers, and policymakers, we can develop and implement effective solutions tailored to specific regional needs. 7. Investment in agricultural research and development. Continued investment in agricultural research and development, including fundamental and applied sciences, will drive innovation and technological advancements that support sustainable food production and enhance food systems resilience. 8. Consumer awareness and education. Raising consumer awareness about sustainable food choices, waste reduction, and the importance of supporting local and regional food systems is crucial for creating a more sustainable and resilient food environment. By embracing these future directions, science can play a vital role in shaping a more sustainable, efficient, and resilient food system capable of nourishing a growing global population while preserving the health of our planet. Conclusion: the future of food production. As we continue to face the challenges of feeding a growing global population, it's essential that we embrace the incredible advancements in agricultural science and technology. From genetically modified crops to precision farming techniques, the future of food production lies in our ability to innovate and adopt new approaches. By harnessing the power of science, promoting sustainable practices, and ensuring equitable access to resources, we can pave the way for a future where everyone has access to safe, nutritious food. It's time to invest in agricultural research, support farmers, and empower consumers to make informed choices. Together, we can build a food system that nourishes both people and planet, ensuring a sustainable and prosperous future for all. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the amazing science behind modern agriculture. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support means everything to me, and I look forward to bringing you more fascinating content in the future. Until then, keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring the wonders of science.